In this section, I will discuss Stakeout and Stake Survey with Triumph VS. I will show you how to go to a target point to stake it, and then how to survey that stake to measure the difference between the intended location for the stake and its actual location. First, the stakeout part. Either enter your stake target points in a layer of the current map by using the draw feature of Triumph VS, or import them to Triumph VS by using Justin or Justin Link programs as shown in another section. When you enter or import your stake target coordinates to a layer, make sure that the coordinate system of that layer matches the coordinate system of the target coordinates that you enter. I want to emphasize that select the correct coordinate system for the layer and then import or enter the target stake coordinates. I have set up my Triumph VS to RTK mode, receiving corrections from my base station via UHF modem. You can use any RTK method or use any VRS networks, as we discussed in previous sections. To set my Triumph VS to do stakeout, I go to Home screen. In here, click Settings, and then in Settings, click Actions. Triumph VS will be configured according to the task that we select here. Here, I select that I want to perform stakeout. Use Save Settings and Recall Settings features of Triumph VS to manage all settings of GNSS, communications, attributes, etc. for different applications, so you can recall them instantly when you need them. I'm ready to do stakeout. I have stored all my stakeout target points in layer 2 of my current map. Now I click the action button. In action screen, I see the stakeout icon on the right side of the screen. Name of the previously selected point is on the top of the screen, and the current layer is on the map icon. The result box in the right side of action screen shows direction to this point in northeast up format. Triumph VS converts its calculated position from WGS84 to the coordinate system of the selected target, and then shows the direction to the target in the result box of action screen in northeast up format. If the target that I want to stake is not the one shown on top of the action screen, I click the stakeout icon on the right side. If you don't see the name of your target here, click the filter button to make sure that the points that you see in the list are those that you want to see. Target points must be in the current map. In the list, I select the target that I want to stake out, and I click Select. The current layer shows the layer of the selected target point, and the coordinate system of this layer will be used for internal calculations. The name of the selected target appears on the top of the screen, and direction to that point is shown in the result box in the northeast up format. To see the direction numbers in larger fonts, just click the action button again, and in the summary action screen, see northeast up numbers in large fonts. In summary action screen, if you click any of the arrow buttons or navigation buttons, you will see the directions in distance and course format. Click the action button again and you will get back to the normal action screen. I keep watching the guidance numbers and keep moving towards my target point. But in recording this video, I'm stationary and I will show you the concept. Instantaneous RTK solutions have RMS of few centimeters. So when I get to few centimeters of my target, I need to get better reading if I need to stake the target more accurately. To get better accuracy, I will stay in a point and click Start to average my readings. After some 10 seconds, I see my northeast up numbers become more stable. When they get stable enough, I click Stop. I see the averaged northeast up numbers remain fixed on the result box, so I can read it. I change my position as northeast up numbers suggest. If I want to release the result box to show instantaneous solutions again, I click the Clear buttons. I repeat this stationary start-stop process to get as close to the target as I want. When I'm happy with the final northeast up numbers, I mark the ground for the physical stake to be pounded in. After a stake is in the ground, I need to survey the actual stake and record the difference between where I wanted the stakes to be and where it actually is. To do this, I go to Home, click Settings, then click Actions. Here I select Stake Survey as the action that I want to perform and click Apply. Now I'm ready for stake survey, so I click the action button. In action screen, now stake survey icon is on the right side. The current layer is on the current map icon and the point name is on top of the screen. If this is not the point that I want to stake survey, I click the stake survey icon and select the desired point. Now go to this point and in action screen click Start to survey it. Continue to survey as long as you want and then click Stop. In stake survey mode, the original target coordinates is preserved as target coordinates and the new stake survey result is stored as actual coordinates. To see them, edit the point. Here you see the original coordinates are shown as target and the new stake survey results as actual. You can also see the difference between the two in the bottom of the screen. If you stake survey this point again, the new survey will overwrite the previous actual and you will see a new actual. As I said earlier, this was a stationary test and I did not actually move towards the stake point. That's why you see 12 centimeter and 30 centimeters of offset from the target results.